I was sent these reusable cleaning cloths to check out, and they've quickly become an important part of my cleaning routine. The cloths come in a package of 4 individually wrapped pre-moistened cloths, and they also come with a little instruction card to follow. The cloths just need to be run under water for about 30 seconds before each use, and then wrung out. They are super soft, durable, and they get into spaces that are too small for a regular sponge. I also love that they clean with just water, so this saves a lot of time and effort. Here I am dusting a wood table using these cloths. I really love that they pick up all the dust and dirt and pet hair. The cloth leaves behind no residue or lint, and it's super soft so it doesn't scratch the surface. Look at everything it picked up there. Here I'm cleaning the vent on a heater, and it's really great at getting into those small spaces without ripping or tearing. It's doing a great job picking up all of that dust. These also do a great job cleaning glass with just water. They don't leave any residue or streaks, and there you can see the reason why I have to clean the house all the time. I love that I can go through the house and clean all types of different surfaces without having to lug around a bunch of different cleaning products. These also work great on mirrors with just water. They don't leave any streaks or residue or lint. They do a really great job picking up any dirt, or in my case, makeup and toothpaste. Overall, these reusable cleaning cloths are durable, easy to use, effective, and have become a great addition to my cleaning routine.